Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Isla Vista, local, and long distance movers near me. Our qualified movers know how to ensure your long distance move does not include all the stress. Hiring our team to help you means your cross country move is going to go efficiently. The best moving services make all the difference, and our staff offers just what you require for your upcoming relocation. Using us provides you access to each of the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to justify the cost when hiring a California moving company. A closer look at the advantages you receive from a local moving company may help you understand why it's a practical option. Any respectable moving company is going to help you save time on your local move. It will also keep you from having to deal with heavy lifting. Our moving crew will make it very easy for you to reach your new location without nearly as much stress. 3 Movers knows how to simplify your move. A move that might take you all weekend to perform, we can deal with in a single morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Isla Vista moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.